In light of the arrival of the inaugural Pixel Watch in October 2022, swiftly followed by the Pixel Watch 2 in 2023, it appears increasingly likely that the Pixel Watch 3 will grace the market later in 2024. Various rumors have already begun circulating, further cementing the anticipation for this year's refresh. Consolidating all available information, here's a comprehensive overview of what we can expect from the Pixel Watch 3, encompassing its anticipated price, launch date, and specifications. Additionally, we've crafted a wish list highlighting the features we hope to see included, just in case Google is taking notes.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Although no specific rumors regarding the price or release date of the Pixel Watch 3 have surfaced, we can extrapolate from past patterns. The original Pixel Watch debuted at $349 for the Wi-Fi version and $399 for LTE connectivity. Following suit, the Pixel Watch 2 maintained a consistent pricing structure, also starting at $349 for Wi-Fi and $399 for LTE. Given this historical pricing trend, it's reasonable to assume that the Pixel Watch 3 will adhere to a similar pricing scheme. As for the release date, past launches offer a reliable blueprint. The Pixel Watch arrived in October 2022, while its successor, the Pixel Watch 2, followed suit in October 2023. Based on this pattern, it's plausible to anticipate the unveiling of the Pixel Watch 3 in October 2024. There's even a possibility that it might coincide with the launch of the Google Pixel 9. One intriguing rumor circulating not once, but twice, suggests that Google may introduce a larger variant of the Pixel Watch for the first time. This potential addition could see the introduction of a 45mm size option, alongside the existing 41mm model. Embracing a dual-size approach would bring Google's smartwatch lineup more in line with competitors like Samsung and Apple, both of whom offer multiple size options for their smartwatches. Moreover, in a move reminiscent of following the footsteps of the Apple Watch, there's speculation that the Google Pixel Watch 3 will incorporate ultra-wideband technology. UWB enables precise location tracking and short-range communication, potentially enhancing the Pixel Watch's capabilities, such as improving its ability to unlock an Android phone. Unlike Google's existing smartwatches, which rely on Bluetooth for such functions, UWB could offer greater accuracy and efficiency. As we eagerly await more leaks and rumors surrounding the Google Pixel Watch 3, speculation is rife about how Google could elevate its smartwatch to new heights, possibly earning it a coveted 5-star rating. Since Google's acquisition of Fitbit back in 2021, there's been anticipation about integrating Fitbit's expertise in health and fitness into Google's ecosystem, a prospect that may materialize with the Pixel Watch 3. Notably, Fitbit Premium is now bundled with Google One subscriptions in select regions, hinting at potential cross-pollination of advanced features such as detailed sleep analysis and daily readiness scores into Google's wearable lineup. Another perennial demand from smartwatch users is extended battery life, particularly crucial for devices expected to track sleep and daily activities comprehensively. While the Pixel Watch 2 managed a respectable 24 hours between charges, the quest for endurance continues, with consumers hoping for improvements rivaling top-tier offerings like Garmin's watches. Despite recent efforts to refine Wear OS, Google's wearable platform still suffers from occasional clunkiness. Speculation surrounding Wear OS 5, possibly developed in collaboration with Samsung, raises hopes for smoother performance and enhanced customization, a crucial complement to the Pixel Watch 3's hardware prowess. In keeping with the AI trend, expectations are high for the integration of advanced AI capabilities, potentially leveraging Google's generative Gemini AI directly within the Pixel Watch 3 or through seamless integration with connected Pixel phones. Features like live translation, already making waves in Samsung's Galaxy ecosystem, could further raise the bar for Google's wearable. Criticism of the band attachment method used in previous Pixel Watches suggests room for refinement, with users hoping for a more user-friendly design, encouraging band swapping. Additionally, a broader selection of straps could enhance the Pixel Watch 3's appeal, mirroring the versatility seen in Apple's watch lineup, where different bands can dramatically alter the device's aesthetics and comfort. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.